we doing?
So
we got a 22 Gladiator.
Putting rope in scuba steel.
for those of you who watched our last video, you saw that we put king coil.
I was gonna say I just did a video on this.
We really recommend you go to the long arm. He said, hey, I was already thinking about doing that. Can you guys build me one? And of course we said, yeah, we can build you one. So a couple years ago we developed a long arm for the JLs, and so we're going to be installing that today, matched with our aluminum lower control arm links, and get this thing flexing like it should be.
We're going to do a medical long arm 4-link in the front. We drop some ORIs in it. Yeah. Drive shaft. We got a little funky stuff going on, a little squeaky. We'll see if we can fix that. You want to hear it? Not quite sure what's going on there, but we're going to figure that out. Always love my job.
Here over your shoulder, watching your every move.
Love my job. Love my job. We found her squeak.
I need measurements, I guess. That would be good. Overall, happy with it. Few minor adjustments need to be made, but nothing major. Cool. I'm going to eat. You guys coming?
What, sir?
What's the plan?
Heavy metal, death music. Oh, what do I have left on it? I've got to get Rob Alicious in here so he can charge the struts, hook the reservoirs up, and alignment. That's it.
Right out of there. Wasn't even trying. Okay, they've changed them to all black. Never mind. Yeti used to be red, and that was gonna clash with the blue. But thankfully, they got it handled. Did he run off with his torque wrench? He did, didn't he? Well, that's stuff.
So one end came with a washer and one end did not.
Did you read the instructions? Well, how do you know which one goes where?
Because this end came off with a washer.
So what are you gonna do?
Put it on this end.
Okay. Like I don't manicure them or anything, but I try to keep the nails short. Turn the wheel this way. Did you hear me? They don't make a black rear track bar.
Does a customer know?
Huh?
Does the customer know?
No, I said, I'm just gonna be real honest with you. I can't let it leave here with a red track bar. But, yeah, Mike's working that out. What's up? What's your question? Concerned? We're not painting it. We're not rednecks underneath the tree out in the front yard. That tree in my front yard is falling apart. You wouldn't want to be out there painting anyway. You get stuff all in it. Gonna paint this track bar black. Shut it off. They lied to me. It said that the fitting closest to the firewall goes to the driver's side of the Ram. So that's what I did. But it's backwards. So it's when you turn the wheel to the right, it wants to go left. It's okay. All right, Katie, let's try this again. Take a break. Start off. That's your version of straight. You're as crooked as an arrow.
Arrows are straight.
The steering wheel's straight.
You clearly haven't been to archery.
The steering wheel's
The arrows themselves.
No. When you go through the air, you'll see.
No, the arrows themselves.
No.
Straight as an arrow is the same.
Okay, so I think the process now
is to remove the jack stands, lower the vehicle. What's up, guys? Customer supplied us with Evo coilover conversion front and rear. It had a short arm kit on it to begin with 14-inch coilovers. It just, the suspension wasn't happy. So we talked to the customer and he said, hey, what can we do? And I said, let's build us a long arm for it. And so that's what we did. We built an OA long arm for this particular setup. And if you look at it, everything's tucked up nice and tight. Got aluminum lower control arms, steel uppers, nice beefy control arm joints, aluminum tie rod. We also did PSE hydro assist steering on it, and I think that's it. So we are just about finished up with the cage on this one, guys, and we are going to, in the next video, you'll see us, we're going to redo this spare tire mount to make it a little more user-friendly. We're also building a custom basket to go over the rear seats while they're folded down. He'll be able to remove that for when he wants to take passengers, or put it back in when he has his ice chest and tools and whatnot. We're also building an aluminum tie rod for this one, and then just a few other little maintenance things to get it ready for the wheeling season. Sweet. So, to like, no. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you know when we post new content. See you guys later.